Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the gestures, then all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up from the bottom to the center and hold your finger somewhere here, and the recents will appear. And if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, just tap on the button with the square icon. And as you can see right here, we've got the recents, so all previously opened apps. And basically, if you want, you can close only one of it or 2 of them, and just find them and swipe it up just like that. But if you'd like to close all of them with only one click, just tap on clear all. As you can see, we just got back to the homepage, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Asus ROG Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.